Namaskara, I am Dr. Kisan Chandra. Today, I will discuss to you about new concept, about new product which I am bringing in front of you, and I believe this is going to be change total concept, make a very easy agriculture, horticulture or floriculture, whatever you are doing it, plantation. This product will be far better than any other product, but concept is different. As we all know, our farmer, we all people are suffering with the diseases, plant diseases, and there is no solution. Whatever chemicals you are using it just is blind, and results we are getting hardly 80%, and lot of chemicals every day we are pumping. Just to save it and give a proper solution, I have developed one product. Of course, it is from years to years I'm working on that. And that name I have given, this product is Kavach. Why Kavach? Because as you all know, I am fond of reading the books about Vedas, and Kavach word is very precious word, and is used in our mantras, used in our Indian system. So in Mahabharata or in other references, you see Kavach is used in the war to protect our body. Similarly, to protect the crop, I have brought the product that I have termed it as a Kavach. See, it is simple bottle, you can see it. It is same bottle, but this product is for the protection of the all type of crops. Why it is Kavach? Because it is going to make a layer. When you are going to use in the field, it will form a one layer on each and every plant. So pest attack, insect attack, or any attack from any foreign bodies will be restricted. As we all know, we have used soap bubbles in our childhood. Still people are using it. So that bubbles makes the big ball and does not allow outside things to inside. Similarly, it will make a film on each and every plant. That is a protein and enzyme, which will not allow the pest, insects, mosquitoes, flies to enter inside, to damage your crop. That is the main motto. And this product, it is simple to multiply. First thing, its expiry is 5 years. And you can use it continuously, multiplying up to 5 years without any break, any quantity. After 5 years, because I have worked it for the 5 years and seen it is 5 years, it easily can be multiplied, because I have distributed to selected farmers, selected peoples to get the feedback. So from last 1.5 years, I have distributed in the field, but last 7 years I am doing the work with me. So that I have seen up to 5 years you can multiply easily. So one bottle is enough for the 5 years. So giving this multiplication again in your hand, just to make it economic and self-dependent, because it is also mother culture. Contains of number of bacteria, but one bacteria I am going to disclose it. That is Bacillus group and Bacillus azae. It is a totally new type of bacteria. Nowhere you will find it is bacteria. It's the first time I am introducing it, and it is marvelous. performance is marvelous in the field. So multiplication is very easy. You can take 100-liter water or 200-liter water. Similarly, that's like OWDC, original waste decompose, as you are doing. Take 100-liter water, 1 kg jaggery, and put this 50 ml culture inside. Again, I repeat it, it is the mother culture. You can multiply it. So when you are multiplying, that is a product. So this mother culture will multiply, it will take time. Earlier it was take 2 to 3 days, but here it will take minimum 20 days. Why? Because this product, bacteria, release our proteins and enzymes. So as much as protein is there, because it is a natural process, we are not using any other chemicals. So it is naturally release the enzyme and protein. So that will take time. So as much as older is in multiplication, it will release more and more your enzyme. You can see it turbidity. This color, color will become changed, it will be darker. So this is the protein which helps the plant, which helps to protect the plant, which helps to repel the insect and pest. So that is going to multiply in your drum. Always drum you have to take plastic drum, no other drum, because iron drum it will react, any other drum it will finish, it will make a hole, and you will get different type of smell. You have seen the smell of OWDC. Here you will get the different smell, some penetrated smell. And this name I have given, Kavach in Hindi, NWDC, New Waste Decompose, and that is a trademark. Just to avoid the confusion, avoid the duplicacy, it is a trademark has been done. And along with this, you will able to see my photo. You are seeing my name on the bottom, so that nobody can cheat. So after multiplication, how to use it and what is the benefit? Use is very simple. After multiplication of 20 days, if you are putting any air pump, aquarium pump or any air system, so that will take 15 days. So after 15 days, you take 100-liter solution for 1 acre of land. You can take 200 also. It is up to you. If your plant is bigger, you can take more. So, but main point is here, when you are going to use it, what you have to do, take 5 liter of water, 4 liter, 5 liters, it is not restricted. Only it is for the 5 liter water. What we are going to do it, we are going to take our whitewash, what we do, lime, calcium, lime, what we are using in our house, 1 kg lime. Put it in the water, 5 liter water. Keep it for 3-4 hours so that its heat became neutralized and it became cold. So this 5 liter water, just filter it and put it in 100 liter of solution of Kavach or NWDC, New Waste Decomposer. So just it mix it. So when you have multiplied, so it is a highly acidic character bacteria. It has released the protein and enzymes. When you are mixing this lime, it will release the anaerobic or your alkaline bacteria proteins that will be come together. The one protein is from the acidic type. Other protein it has been released from the alkalines. So both are get balanced. So when you are using it, there is no need any dilution. Without dilution, direct spray on the plant. You can. So when you do spraying it, just wash the plant. So all the plant will get one layer, one film that you are not able to see it, but it will cover with the film. If you see with the microscope, you are able to see detect the film. So it is when you are using it with the smell, with this your layer. No pest, no your things from outside will attack. And this is going to last up to 20 days, 20 to 30 days. It will be protected. Again you can spray, repeat it. Again it will protect it. So it has been observed about 70% of the your diseases it controls. So maximum problem is over. Then you can use your Gadha Gomut or whatever I have already suggested. That will help you. So this is the protection, crop protection for every crop you will get. And there is no side effect. If you are spraying it, you will not find any irritation, nothing will happen. Some smell will come certainly because it is penetrating smell. So that enzyme smell will be there, but it is no side effect. So after protection, you will see the changes. First, all the disease will be controlled, restricted. Then you can see the flowering, fruiting, and fruit dropping or food dropping, whatever the things are there, it will be restricted. Lot of new plant will come. So this is all due to his hormonal excretion. So this is the advantage of this our and new waste decomposer and WTC. I am showing you the sticker whatever you are going to get in future. So this is the new concept, new product is going to help you in the field, is coming very soon, and I am sure it is going to give you miracles in the field as you have observed in the other product, but it is the superior, one step ahead. So this is all about this our new concept, and some more film I will share you because it has been multi-trials I have done in all over India, different crops, and feedback we have got. So you will see the performance in the field, but performance is miracles, and cost and everything if you calculate it is very less, no match. Its purpose is to reduce the chemicals use, that is the main, and give you the maximum benefit in the field. So I am sure this will give you new edge, and you will share your views, you will share your experience with this, and one more thing, you can multiply it anywhere, any open space, without cover, just you put one cloth so the dust will not go inside. In sun rays or in a home or your any plant, under plant, anywhere you can keep it and multiply easily. There is no ifs and buts multiplication. It will multiply, but it will take time as I have mentioned. Thank you.